Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Strongman Personal Finance. Even the legend himself, the stock picking legend, not the index legend, Warren Buffett, thinks that we are in a clown market. That's right. So recently, Jeremy Lefebvre, my hero, my king, my god, the 10x investor that crushes Warren Buffett and everybody else, Jeremy made a video basically clapping back at me because I made a video saying we're starting to get back into a clown market. I think we are. And Jeremy said, no, we're not in a clown market because or something like that. I'll make a video responding to it more directly. Kind of busy. But Warren Buffett recently released his letter to shareholders. Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha. We got the Oracle of Vegas, Jeremy. And we have the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett. I wonder which one is correct. Or more intelligent, a better investor. But anyway. So Warren Buffett, in his letter, basically said that his observation of the market, the stock market, the U.S. stock market, is that it's more casino-like. It's more of a gambling parlor than what it was when he was younger. Now, Warren Buffett's been around for a long time. I don't know exactly how old he is. I think he's in his 90s. He's an old mother effer. And he's been playing this game for a long mother effing time. He has a ton of experience in the stock market. Now, all you newfangled geniuses that are coming up, you're entering the stock market as well. And after investing, starting in 2020, you think you know how stocks work. You think you understand long-term investing. When in reality, I think the vast majority of you are not long-term investors. I think the vast majority of you are speculating gambling clowns that think you're geniuses. I 100% agree with Warren Buffett. Now, obviously, I'm not anywhere as experienced as him. I'm not anywhere as old as him. And I'm not anywhere as handsome as him. But what I can tell you is that I think Warren Buffett knows what he's talking about. And from my own personal experience, I think we are in an insane freaking casino market that blows my mind. When I first came on YouTube, I didn't really watch YouTube Finance, and then I basically met Jay Nagy, and he introduced me to all these other idiot YouTuber clowns. And once I started watching these people, it struck me that there's a lot of odd things going on in the YouTube space, you know? When I first started investing in 2012, when I got my first full-time job and I got a retirement plan, I just thought, yeah, you buy an index with every paycheck, you hold, and you don't sell for 30, 40, 50 years. You own the underlying businesses as a true owner, as a true investor, and you let them grow as they compound their earnings over time. That's what I thought investing was all about. And then I get on YouTube and I see these abominations of investors. Jeremy, Meat Smoker, all these clowns basically just gambling on stocks. And how do I know these guys are gamblers? Okay. It's very simple. And I think this is what Warren Buffett is saying too. I mean, I don't speak for him, but a lot of these guys, they try to buy the dip or perfectly timed stocks right before a run up. And if the stock runs up, they celebrate. And if the stock drops, they quickly sell it and pretend it never happened. Now, if you're somebody that claims to be an investor, but you're sitting there and you're just looking for these stocks to dip, you buy them when they dip, and then you sell it after it runs up a little bit. Is that investing? Or is that speculation? That sounds like speculation to me, because you're literally seeking capital gains. You are buying a stock, you're hoping it runs up, and then you're going to sell it after it runs up. That's not investing. That's gambling. Stocks can go up and down randomly. And trust me, I watch all of you people, all of the stock picking channels, all of them. I see what they do. A lot of them, they'll just quickly buy a stock, and if it runs up, they'll freaking sell it. And if they buy a stock that drops, they'll just trim it. They'll just immediately get rid of it. And it makes absolutely no sense to me from a long-term investing standpoint. And the market, it really is a casino. I mean, all you have to do is watch YouTube and go to Wall Street Bets, and you'll see what these people are engaging in. Buying call options, buying puts, buying all these short-term garbage things, all these stupid financial instruments, celebrating if their stock goes up in a vertical line because they caught the bottom because they're so smart, and all sorts of clownery. But it's not investing, okay? So I think in these times, it's going to be even harder. It's even more challenging to be an index fund investor than it was when I started investing. The clownery has really accelerated in starting in 2020. When I first started, I don't remember there being a Robinhood back in the day. I don't remember all these stock picking channels. I don't remember any of this madness going on, even a short 12 years ago. Now look at us. After this 2020 clown market, I think there's a lot of insanity going on. And it really makes me worry. It really does. I really wonder what's going to happen to U.S. stocks, man. I mean, maybe I'm paranoid, but something just doesn't seem right. Something just seems off about this whole market. Like all these stocks going up in vertical lines, and the stocks dip and then they just shoot up massively 300%. It just seems off. Something doesn't seem right. Maybe I'm just not experienced in the market. I don't know. So I am more happy than ever that I have a total world index and I can ride this clownery and not have to worry about these short-term fluctuations. But y'all got to be careful, okay? There is a massive gambling casino behavior mentality in the market. Something that I've never seen before, starting in 2020. And I think it's just out of control. And I think a lot of you learned some really bad lessons in 2020, 2021, and possibly in 2023 when a lot of your clown stocks rallied. And I think those bad lessons will eventually come to haunt you. So we'll see. All right, guys, I'm going to go eat. You guys have a wonderful day. Cheers.